Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about the Vibrant Gujarat 2024. You might not know that this time it's becoming much bigger than the Vibrant Gujarat summit that has been going for last 9 years. Just because Gujarat has signed a total investment deal of rupees 7.2 lakh crores in this summit. This Vibrant Gujarat summit will grab a historic milestone for Gujarat. This Vibrant Gujarat Summit will be held on 10th January at 10 am in the main hall of Mahatma Gandhi Mandir and will continue till about 2 pm. Gujarat has signed deals with 58 companies in which energy, oil gas, chemical and many sectors are included. So let us know the names of those companies which have signed the biggest MOUs which worth a total of rupees 28.360 crores, NTCP 1.5 lakh crores, Torrent Power 48,000 crores, PFC 25,000 crores, Power Grid 15,000 crores and Gujarat Industrial Power Company has signed the biggest MOUs worth rupees 8,000 crores. And not only that, heads of state of 4 countries are going to participate in this Vibrant Gujarat Summit 2024 and heads of state of UAE, CZEC Republic, Mozambique Republic, Timor-Leste will take a tour of this summit. This time, a total of 32 countries have become the partner companies of Gujarat, out of which especially the governors and ministers of 18 partner countries will come themselves to attend the Vibrant Summit and the rest of the countries will send delegations on their behalf. Partner countries like Australia, CZEC Republic, UAE, Germany, UK, Singapore, Japan, Russia will be there, which is a matter of a pride in itself for Gujarat. This Vibrant Gujarat Summit has created an estimated 3.70 lakh direct and indirect job opportunities. There is going to be an investment of about rupees 10 lakh 21 crores. Earlier MOUs are being done at the state level, but now with this new plan, Gujarat government has kept the policy of MOUs plus. Means here its visibility, financial and all its parameters which is must pass to set up an industry have also been checked. And at the same time, every district has been made vibrant through which a huge number of industrialists from every province can join this vibrant summit. After the inauguration ceremony of this Vibrant Gujarat Summit 2024, around 4 o'clock PM Modi ji will be gathered in a meeting with big companies in the club of Gift City, which is 6 kilometers away from Gandhinagar Mahatma Gandhi Mandir. And there will be meetings held by Modi ji with IBM, Google, Neurostock, Exchange, Amazon, Nasdaq, StoneX, Wells and Fargo, S&P, and CEOs of fintech and IT companies and many other big companies will join this meeting. It will be determined from this meeting that not only in Gujarat but also in whole India how much of IT and fintech will be there, what will be the new investment in this field, both will be decided. And the government of India will keep its favor. And along with this, companies will be invited here. From this, we can say that the layout of whole Gift City is gradually coming to its fruition. So, to see such trending videos, subscribe to our channel and do like and share this video. Thank you.